Hi friends! Welcome to Learning Step by Step. Today, we're going to learn some shapes. Are you ready? Let's go! What is the name of this shape? It's round and has no corners. It's a circle! What can we find that are circles? Wheel. Wheel. Cookie. Cookie. Coin. Coin. Clock. Clock. Plate. Plate. Great job, kids! Let's try another shape. What is the name of this shape? It has 3 corners and 3 sides. It's a triangle. What can we find that are triangles? Cake. Cake. Cheese. Cheese. Traffic sign. Traffic sign. Watermelon. Watermelon. Pizza. Pizza. Great job, kids! Let's try another shape. What is the name of this shape? It has 4 corners and 4 sides. 2 sides are long and 2 are short. It's a rectangle. What can we find that are rectangles? Television. Television. Ruler. Ruler. Envelope. Envelope. Door. Door. Book. Book. Great job, kids! Let's try another shape. What is the name of this shape? It has 4 corners and 4 equal sides. It's a square. What can we find that are squares? Picture frame. Picture frame. Bread. Bread. Crackers. Crackers. Chessboard. Chessboard. Window. Window. Great job, kids! Let's try one more shape. What is the name of this shape? It's curved, it has no corners and no sides. It's an oval. What can we find that are ovals? Mirror. Mirror. Watermelon. Watermelon. Rug. Rug. Football. Football. Eggs. Eggs. Great job, kids! Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for new videos. See you soon.